Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, in this short video, I am going to tell you how to read and understand the topic for essay writing. There is a common complaint from IELTS writing examiners that many students they write off the topic. Off the topic means they go beyond the scope or beyond the range of the topic. In this video, I am going to tell you how to read and interpret the topic for better understanding, and I am going to read some topics for you as well. Well guys, listen. Whenever you read the topic, you should read and interpret whatever you read. Now, I'm going to read 4 topics and I'm going to interpret them for you. The first topic is advantages, disadvantages essay, and the topic is these days more and more people are going to other countries. Now, you need to interpret these days means at present. More and more people means a large number of people are going to other countries means they are going abroad. So nowadays at present a large number of people are going abroad for significant periods of time. Significant period of time, you need to interpret that. It can be 1 year, 2 years, 5 years and all that. Either to find a job or to study. So some people go for their career, some people go for their education. So now I am interpreting the topic that this is what the topic is. There are clearly many benefits to doing this, but people who live abroad can also face some difficulties. So there are benefits of doing this. Doing this means going abroad for a significant period of time, and there are some challenges as well, difficulties. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of living and working in a foreign country. So in this essay, I have to write about the advantages and disadvantages of living in a foreign country for a significant period of time to find a job or for education. So this is how, when you interpret the topic, you can understand it better. Now we go on, and I'm going to read another topic for you. The next one is going to be problem and solution essay. So let's just read this topic so that you guys understand. So the topic is all over the world. It means the topic is global. All over the world means globally. Societies are facing a growing problem with obesity. So all over the world, globally, societies are facing a growing problem with obesity. Obesity means being overweight or being fat. So societies are facing this problem. This problem affects both children and adults. Now this problem means obesity affects both children and adults. Children means young people, adults means it is like after 18. What are the reasons for this rise in obesity? Now, reasons for this rise in obesity, which is a global phenomena among children and adults. This is how you guys must interpret the topic for your better understanding. What are the reasons for this rise in obesity and how could it be tackled? So, how could it be tackled means the solution. See that? So there is a global problem of obesity among children and adults. What are the reasons for this and how to overcome that? Now, after this, I'm going to read another topic, and this topic is of opinion essay. So let's see. The topic says actually, the younger generation is mainly responsible. Now see, younger generation means young people. Mainly responsible means they are behind certain phenomena for the latest technological developments. Now you need to interpret the topic, younger generation mainly responsible behind the latest technological development. So you can visualize the topic as well. So young people means young software engineers, young application developers, young scientists. They are mainly responsible for the latest technological developments. Now, what are the latest technological developments? New mobiles, new cameras, new applications, new gadgets. We've got that artificial intelligence, AI. So, behind all these technological developments, there are young people. Next, how far do you agree? Now, if you agree, it means there are young people behind latest technological developments. If you disagree, it means young people are not behind the latest technological developments. There are old people or senior people who are behind that. So this is how you must read and interpret every word. For example, young generation. Young generation means young software engineers, young application developers, game developers, young artificial intelligence developers or creators. So it's that. And mainly responsible, latest technological developments. Now you must interpret what are the latest technological developments and then how far. So once you read the topic carefully, automatically a voice will come from your inside that I agree or I disagree with the topic. Now, let's go on. We have another topic for discussion essay which you really need to understand. Okay. Now, the topic is some people view teenage conflict. Now, you need to understand what is teenage conflict with their parents. Some people view teenage conflict with their parents. Now, before you read on, you must interpret. Teenage means children when they reach 13 to 19. Conflict means their argument with their parents. Now, teenagers argument with their parents. All right. Some people view teenage conflict with their parents as a necessary part of growing up. Necessary part of growing up means it's okay. If teenagers argue with their parents on certain things, it's okay. There is no harm in that. This is one side of the view. Now, what is the second one? Whilst others see it as something negative, others see it. It means actually it's the teenage conflict with their parents. So others see it as something negative which should be avoided, which means teenage conflict is a negative thing and it should be avoided. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now see, we interpret some people view means according to the opinion of some people. Teenage conflict means teenagers fights or arguments with their parents as a necessary part of growing up means it's normal, it's the essential part of their growth. When children reach teenage, they argue with their parents and there is no problem with that because there are certain changes in them and all that. Whilst others see it as something negative which should be avoided. Discuss both views. Now you need to discuss both views. View number one is teenage conflict with their parents as necessary part of their growth. Second view, teenage conflict with their parents is something negative which should be avoided. So guys, this is how you must read and interpret the topic. Believe me, if you're going to read and interpret the topic this way, definitely you will write your essay on the topic. You will not go off the topic or beyond the topic, and definitely if you write on the topic, even if there are certain grammatical errors, still you can get good bench score. So that's all in this short video. I just discovered this method this morning when I was teaching my online class, so I thought I should share this with you. If you like it, please comment and do let me know how you feel about this method of interpretation, the topic. And I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.